What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty. Welcome back to the Dividend Stock King. We'll talk about dividend investing in general, and how to make money online, how to make more passive income. Today we're going to talk about how do long-term investors make profit. And I'm doing specifically in the stock market. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you no stock advice. I'm not telling you to do any of that stuff. Please do your own research before you buy anything or invest in anything. So I'm not an expert at anything. This video is just for fun. So this is a prime example of how do a long-term investor make profit. Main Street Capital. If you look at my total return right now is at 1,400. I'm up 42% on this stock, and that's because during March 2020, I bought this was like $17, $20 around this time here. Let me show you. Excuse me, the 5-year chart. Now, when you see something like this, and it's like you don't know when I came around. It was $17, $23, even $30. It was a good deal, and I was following the stock for a while. I said, no, I'm gonna buy Main Street Capital. Long term, let's just say for the past 5 years, it stayed where it's at. Let's say it goes up to $70. Well, I'll be up more money. The longer I hold it, the shares, the more dividends I'll get. So I'm gonna get dividends every month. This is a monthly paying dividend. So the longer I hold it, the longer I'll get in dividends. Number two, the price appreciation. The price might go up, and right now up to $46. Now, it never been over $50. I mean, it probably hit $50 maybe once. And the past 5-year history, it never been up there. But where it's coming back being 10, 20 years, we don't know. We just don't know. That's for taking investing. So, again, I'm more of a dividend investor, but if the price keep going up, I make money on the sales. I bought it, last year. I bought it for cheaper. That's how long-term investors make money. Long-term investors make money by capital appreciation or in dividends. No dividend of rental property. If you buy a property today and hold it for 10 years, don't know it's 10 years, the price of the house will go up. So you might have $100,000 in 10 years. It's worth maybe $200,000 or $170 or $160. Plus, you're getting rental income on top of that. So you're renting a place out. You're getting rental income, plus the appreciation of the house goes up. The value goes up too. So that's that. But you only get that with a long-term hold. You can't buy a house and sell it in 2-3 years. It won't go up that much. But you hold for a long term, it can really make you some profits. So long-term investing is the key to investing in dividends, in stocks, in real estate. In my personal opinion, the longer you hold that house or that piece of property, the more it tends to go up in value. Okay, and then you get rental income in the between time. Same with a stock. I'm holding this out long term. I bought it when it was here. Now my appreciation went up. Now I'm getting dividends every month, cash payments. So that's how long-term investors make profit, and that's what any business that you invest or any investment you do. Now, there's stuff that you can buy and flip, and you buy some shoes for $50, you sell it for $100. That's not a long-term thing. That's like an everyday you invest to make a quick buck. This is long-term investing. So this is like getting assets that's paying you money every month, assets that go up in the price. But the longer you hold something, the better. And this can go to baseball cards or certain cars that was years and years ago, and you bought it for cheap. Now you want to sell it. It's probably worth twice as much money. The same with an old school car that you can't find nowhere. The price will be going up because it's so old and you held it for so long. And I always trade Pokemon cards and baseball cards and football cards, and we kept them in plastic for comic books. And you get that thing about 10, 15 years, it can maybe be worth a lot of money in the future because that's a rare book that people cannot find, And that also could be an asset you can sell, make triple the amount of money you spent it on. So assets come in all forms, but the main thing is mainly long term. Long term investment is very long. You got to hold on to it. But one of the best investments you can do is having an asset that pays you monthly or quarterly. That way you gain some cash payments while you're holding. And I'm a dividend investor. I'm planning on holding stocks for the rest of my life. I don't plan on selling none of these shares because when I retire, I want that another stream of income to come in to pay my bills. Besides the 401k, which I want to cash out anyway. But I want another stream of income besides the 401k because you realize some people, not all, but some people who retire at 59 or 60, 62, 63, they're still working. Some people retire, they don't work no more because they have enough money coming in. But some people, they're bored at home, or they go work, or they can't afford to retire because they're not making enough money to pay their expenses. So that's why it's always good to be a long-term investor because you need to think about when you get older, 56 years old, 70 years old. You got to think about when you get older, do you want to keep on hustling, bustling, and working, or you want to get the assets now while you're young to hold forever, and they'll pay you monthly, quarterly, whatever, with real estate or in the stock market. As for me, I'm a dividend investor. I plan on handling stocks for a very long time. Don't plan on selling my shares. Never, probably. Never going to sell these shares. Probably pass them on to my son and children. So I'm never going to sell these stocks. I'm never going to give them away because they're paying me cash flow. If I keep investing for the next 20, 30 years and reinvest dividends, where my portfolio be in 10 years from now? I keep reinvesting dividends, and I keep on buying shares, and I keep on buying shares, reinvesting dividends, all that good stuff. Where do my portfolio be at as far as getting dividend income? So that's why I'm a long-term investor. I think long-term is the best. But again, stock market and real estate, since you're holding for a long time, don't focus all your time on the stock market and real estate. Do something else. Go ahead and try to start an online business or an offline business. Try to start something from home while you're holding these assets. That way you get into cash flow and appreciation here. You got this business make you money today, tomorrow, next week, and you got the full-time job. You got a side hustle. So that's where you got to go to make money so you can invest. So you want Robinhood? I have a link below for Robinhood. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.